It's big to see everybody that turn out. Shows that what I've done for the sport is a big deal to them, and they really appreciate it. So thank you, and it was my honor to really put the sports of track and field at the top and to continue to dominate. And I'll try my best, even when I've finished and hung up my spikes, to really continue to push track and field in any way possible. Just be the 100. I know a lot of people really want to see me run it, but the 100 will be the one. I know people definitely want to see that also. So I'm just going there to do my best as always and to come through victorious as always.